So this is a video of the car finally driving, you know, taking it out in Berryessa a little bit, getting the mileage up on this thing. So when I started, the starting mileage was 79,842. I'm currently at 80,414 miles, so a little over 500 miles. I believe I'm approaching 600 coming up soon, actually. So I'm trying to hit that 2,000 to 3,000 mile mark, so that way I could finally switch back to synthetic oil and don't have to worry about the break-in period after that, hopefully. So it's an interesting time. You know, the car works really good, handles really well, but I mean, I didn't really change the handling. I changed the sway bars a good while ago. I went up, I believe, 5 millimeters and also 4 millimeters. I think the rear went up 4 millimeters and the front went up 5 millimeters in thickness. And then I had to adjust and reconfigure the bushings and reapply some grease to them. And then I also had to get adjustable sway links because there was a lot of rubbing issues and clearances that I was having problems with. But after all that, it's all good. It's all handling pretty well. There's still some clanking and clunking here and there, but I think I'm just gonna have to live with it. But the car sounds great, runs great, you know. Get that nice blow-off sound. And then the nice wastegate noise. But yeah, I love it. This car is nice. You know, it's pretty fast, a little quick. I'm still not busting 4,000 RPMs because the break-in period and all that. But once it's broken in, I can assure you I will be hitting that rev limit and seeing how fast this thing can really go. I'm curious what the top speed on this car is now, because my top speed prior with just a basic tune was about 132 miles per hour. And I know that because I was in Mexico this one time and I was able to take it on a track down there, and yeah, it's testing it that way. But I'm curious what my new top speed is going to be. Who knows, maybe it'll be in the 160s once everything is all configured and tuned right. Maybe when I'm on E85 it'll be a lot higher too. But it'll be interesting. It'll be interesting for sure.